In front of me is Motorola ThinkPhone 25, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down right away to access this section called Safety and Emergency. Then tap on Emergency Contacts. Select Add Contact and click on the one you wanna set up. Then do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. Now, if you want to change order of your contacts, hit Reorder at the top right corner. Hold one, drag it to the proper place, and let go. Now, to discard those changes, hit X at the top left corner. To save them, hit Save at the top right one. If you want to delete any contact from this list, not from your device, use this X next to it and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Last but not least, many people forget that you should tap on Change Setting option and make sure this switcher is on, the one next to Show when locked, because thanks to it, your contacts will be accessible from locked screen. So let's check it out. I will go back, switch off my screen, turn it back on and swipe up. Now tap on Emergency Call, choose View Emergency Info, and see my contacts. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!